Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more accessory related on my Tesla car, and that one is a screen protected or screen guard of my Tesla. 16-inch screen is available on Tesla car. So I purchased this one specially on AliExpress. I check it out here in a local supermarket. Here is a so expensive, around 500 Danish krona. I check Amazon also, around 40 euro. It means 400 Danish krona. I purchased this one from AliExpress and the price just only 82 Danish krona. It's very cheap, around 10 euro. As well as we will see how to fix out this one in my Tesla car. So first of all, we will unbox this product. They are providing me very good packaging. 82 Danish krona is the normal price. Now we'll see unboxing of this product. So look at this, inside the box, screen cleaner they are providing inside the box. Yeah, screen cleaner. First of all, I use this one before fix out. We can see inside the box, this is our product. So as a fix out point of view, it's very easy. I just simply remove this one and then after fix out. The remaining video we will see in my Tesla car. Now this is my Tesla screen, and now I just simply remove first of all, and we will see how to I fix out this one. First of all, I remove this one because of during the purchase I am receiving this one by default. Screen is already clean, but still I can clean. Okay, easy. Then after, now I just simply remove this one. So here the sticker is available. You just simply fix out here, and the one portion, it's easy, not so hard. Okay, after you fix out one portion, so remaining screen is automatically fixed. So it's very easy to install screen guard of Tesla Model 3. You can do same process of any model of Tesla. So it's very easy to fix out the screen guard of Tesla Model 3. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.